Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a time-lapse on canvas art using sponge dabbing technique as a Valentine's Day gift idea. So let's begin with the video. Since the year 496, February 14 is the feast day of Saint Valentine, a Catholic priest who refused to give up Christianity and would secretly get Christian couples married. Therefore, Valentine's Day became the day for exchanging love messages, representing love, young people and happy marriages. Prayers are offered up to Saint Valentine as he is the patron saint of love. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments which canvas art is your favorite. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love craft and art content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.